हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि प्रेस्टीज सिटी में मैं आपको मेरिडन पार्क, एस्टर्न पार्क का अपडेट दूंगा, कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट। तो राइट नाउ आप ये देख रहे हैं इतनगुर गेट प्रेस्टीज का, और इसके आगे यदि आप देखेंगे तो इंडिपेंडेंट विला हैं, उनका भी काम चल रहा है। But right now I will just show you the मेरिडन पार्क। कई दर्शकों की डिमांड थी कि मेरिडन पार्क और एस्टर्न व्यू का आप अपडेट, कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट के बारे में बताएं। इससे पहले मैंने जो वीडियो अपलोड किए थे प्रेस्टीज सिटी में, तो वो एवलॉन पार्क का था। इसके बाद ईडन पार्क का मैंने अपलोड किया। तो राइट नाउ आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे अभी जो है मेरिडन पार्क का वर्क देख रहे हैं। तो बिकॉज मेरिडन पार्क इज ह्यूज फ्लैट्स, नियर अबाउट 4,000 units are there, near about 17 towers are there. So, and it is the, you can say, just if you enter Prestige City have got two gates. One is Itango gate, this is another gate, and another the prime gate is there from Sarjapur. So for new viewers I will just say it is a Prestige City having a land parcel of 188 acres, and it is a landmark construction going on in fast pace in Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. And total, if you ask how many towers are there, so it starts with Avalon Tower, then Eden Tower, then Meriden, then Aston, and beside that it has got Aspen Green Villa, and then independent plots and Forum Mall also. Connectivity wise, as I always say, it is for new viewer information. Sarjapur is having a fast growth in all respect. Already the existing infrastructure is there, but upcoming infrastructure, when such a grand, you can say, Prestige having 188 acre of parcel of land, so you can understand within this city it will be a separate, you can say, independent city inside, just like, and it will be a landmark in the Sarjapur. In this parcel of land, huge parcel of land of 188, no builder have yet come. So it is the biggest residential luxurious apartment and villa and also independent plot housing, in Sarjapur. Within this city you will find Forum Mall and so many other commercial complex and huge. If you see the Prestige, as I told, a class builder which I have got their presence in Bangalore in residential real estate in very much high stream, and their construction work is also done by L&T, which is renowned construction company. Not only make residential complex but so many government complex and commercial complex, IT park also they are making. So in this Prestige City you will find wider roads. One is entry and exit. Right now you may be seeing the construction of Meridon Park. So जो इनमें कंस्ट्रक्शन होता जा रहा है फाइनल फेज पे, तो उनका ये पेंटिंग वर्क भी चालू कर दे रहे हैं, स्टार्ट कर दे रहे हैं। जैसे इसमें टावर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 अप टू टावर 8 द वर्क इज finished, and then painting is also they have done. Internal tiling works and electrical works is going on in this complex. We might be seeing the huge entrance gate of each tower. As you know, Prestige City contains near about 10,000 plus flats. So you can understand the growth part of the, there are 40,000 people will be living at one place. So naturally the growth will be just in real estate, whether the people have bought for growth purpose or invested in growth purpose or for their luxurious life, it will certainly provide a very luxurious life within the Prestige city. ये आप डिफरेंट टावर्स हैं, उनका आप वर्क देख रहे हैं। ये हर एक टावर का जो है इंटीग्रेट है, और इनकी एक चीज़ और बताता चलूँ, जैसे ये टावर बन चुकी है, जैसा कि मैंने शुरू में बोला, जो कंप्लीट होता जा रहा है, तो उसमें पेंटिंग वर्क भी जो है कंप्लीट ये साथ में करते जा रहे हैं। देन सो मैनी थिंग्स इंटरनल जो है फिनिशिंग चाहिए होती है, वो फिर इसके बाद जो है ये ह्यूज लॉबी गेट राइट नाउ आप अपने स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं। और मैं बताता चलूँ, जैसा कि मैंने एवलॉन के बारे में भी वीडियो अपलोड किया था, एस्पेन ग्रीन। तो ये दो एस्पेन ग्रीन विला एंड एवलॉन तो लगभग बन के तैयार है। इट इज़ ओनली द मैटर ऑफ टाइम व्हेन द Prestige inform for possession. As Avalon, as I told you, Avalon is getting possession within construction is delayed. So in fact, they are waiting for OC approvals for both Aspen Green Villa and Avalon OC approval and electrical power connection approval, which is to be provided by government. Then the possession date within a month you can expect the possession date of the both the things can be announced. So thinking in that way, whatever the owner who bought their flats or home, it is a time for them to just get prepared for financially, because registration required a huge money. And then also the second, after possession, immediately one budget is required for interior. So it is a time for those things to just manage. This is a experience center, and you also getting the glimpse from here also the Avalon, Eden, and then beside that Meriden. Just I will be moving out, then I will show you the Aston Park, because Aston Park location is such where if you take a video shoot, it is not that clearly coming, because it is just behind the experience center. So whatever is there, I will just show you. Right now you are seeing the Meriden Park. So this is the experience center. As people ask me when I just tell in my video for any of the query regarding resale of the flats or villa or plot, they should only go to experience center. So people ask the location, so I will just say for the viewers point of view, it is located in the Prestige city. This experience center is a marketing office of the Prestige city as a whole. Here you will get information whether somebody is selling the flats or for buying purpose. You can reach out there, because they have got their independent sale also, and 2 or 3 individuals are only for this purpose, who want to just buy the resale flat. They can reach out there and have the proper information. Right now you are just seeing the view of Avalon and Eden, and then attached with that by side, because Eden has got 10 towers, and this Meriden is a huge, contains 17 plus towers. And again, for the viewer point of view, I'll say the viewer also asked whether the amenities will be separate. Yes, amenities as per every project is separate, because it has got internal Aspen Green Villa, so the Aspen Green Villa amenities will be separate. And then Avalon, full-fledged amenity for Avalon tower is also separate. Then Eden, also amenity separate. Meriden. So it is not interlinked. Whatever the Avalon or owners are there, so they will only use their amenities. Cannot be so that Aspen Green Villa resident will use the amenities of Avalon, or Avalon will use for Eden. So it is not that way. Every project, let it be Aston, or so this right now on your screen you are just seeing behind the experience center. the Aston Park, construction work. Because again I say, for taking the suit because of Aston, it is the last Aston, project of the, by Prestige City announced. So the work is not in that respect as Meriden or Eden is going. However, the position of all the towers they announced as per their will be in 25. Right now you are seeing on your screen the work on Aston Park tower. Just see, just I am trying to show you the Aston Park, tower. I am zooming out and showing you the Aston Park, whatever the current construction state as of now, 15th February 2025. So for new viewers और just जो viewers के लिए भी जिन्होंने इसमें ख़रीद रखे हैं उनके लिए फिर से मैं एक इन्फॉर्मेशन देता हूँ। जब आप इंटर करते हैं प्रेस्टीज सिटी सरजापुर से तो सबसे पहले आपको राइट हैंड साइड में 17 एकर्स ऑफ फोरम मॉल मिलेगा, उसमें भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है। दैन यू विल गेट एस्पन ग्रीन विला, उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन पूरा हो चुका है और ये वेटिंग फॉर पोजीशन। एंड देन एवलॉन टावर कम्स एंड देन उसका भी वर्क कंप्लीट हो चुका है, वेटिंग अगेन फॉर पोजीशन। देन इट कम्स फॉर ईडन Park, then Meriden, and right now you are seeing on your screen the work going on for Aston Park Tower, which is just behind, if you can see, experience center of the Prestige City. And जो दो गेट हैं इसके, one is towards Sarjapur when you are coming from Tomchandra to Sarjapur police station, then in between Prestige City location is there. That is a main gate of Sarjapur, and another gate where the Meriden, your work start, that gate is Etangur. And if you go ahead with Etangur, then there is near about 70 acres of land where the plotted development, independent plot are being houses constructed there. So this is as a whole, and they have got a very good 5-star Riviera club also inside. So I mean to say, this project inside have all the luxurious amenities, advanced luxurious amenities within this. So the resident maximum will enjoy the luxurious life here, and हो सकता है उनको किसी और काम के लिए बाहर भी ना जाना पड़े, because only the leaving the employment, IT job and all, whatever IT professionals are there, naturally they will go to their offices. But other thing you can have within this, Prestige City, because they have got so many, commercial outlets within the Prestige City. As also because the Sarjapur is having a high oriented growth, so we will have a nearby 3-4 kilometer from this distance Greenwood High School, so many Cambridge high schools are, so many reputed schools, colleges are surrounding with this dignity, and also the branded reputed hospitals are there, and then shopping complex nearby. So many IT park, if you take it, Wipro Kodati IT Park is nearby, RGA Tech Park nearby, Eco World Eco Space is also within 7 to 8 kilometer distance, and it has got a connectivity to Marathalli, which from this location near about 12 to 15 kilometer, and then so many, as I told you, it is, and metro connectivity is also coming on third phase. Yet the work of the metro is not started, so that is the thing. And another viewer asked whether these internal roads will be permitted for other than the resident. So it is, as per the Prestige information, it is only a private road, not CDP road, not government road. So entry will be restricted for other resident who want to go, for example, from main Sarjapur gate to Etangur, so it will be restricted as per the information provided by Prestige. So viewers, I have shown you in my previous upload of video Avalon, Aspen Green, Hayden and Meriden and Aston Park construction update. As and when any new update will come, again I will just come with a new video, so to just inform you, because here the people not only from India but all over from world also, people have booked here in this prestigious project of Prestige, so I will be keep informed. So viewers, how you like my this video, let me know through comment box. और आपसे ये भी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसको मैक्सिमम कॉन्टेक्ट जो आपके हैं उनको आप शेयर करें, सो दैट अगर उनकी ज़रूरत है, उनको अगर घर बुक करना है तो एक अच्छा ब्रांड जो है उनको एक अच्छी लोकेशन, गुड कनेक्टिविटी दे कैन हैव. अल्टीमेटली इट इज़ बायर डिसीजन. ओनली माई वीडियो विल हेल्प देम टू जस्ट हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग a landmark project in the Sarja. So again viewers, thank you for watching my video on my channel. Thank you.